The iPhone 16 Pro Max, a powerhouse of technology, sometimes faces a frustrating issue: screen freezing. Imagine this. You're in the middle of an important task, capturing a breathtaking photo or engrossed in a thrilling game, and suddenly, your screen becomes unresponsive. This can be incredibly disruptive, leaving you feeling powerless and frustrated. Understanding why this happens is the first step to resolving the issue and getting back to enjoying your device. A frozen screen can manifest in several ways, from the entire display becoming unresponsive to specific apps freezing. The severity can vary, from a momentary pause to a complete lockdown requiring a forced restart. Knowing the different ways a freeze can present itself can help you better diagnose the underlying problem. In the following sections, we'll explore the potential hardware and software culprits behind this frustrating issue. Sometimes the reason for a frozen screen isn't software-related, but rather a problem with the hardware itself. One common culprit is a malfunctioning touchscreen, which can happen due to a drop, impact, or even liquid damage. Another hardware-related issue is overheating, which can cause the processor to slow down or shut down temporarily. Overheating can occur when using resource-intensive apps for extended periods or leaving your phone in direct sunlight. Additionally, a faulty battery can sometimes cause overheating and subsequent freezing. Another less common hardware problem is a failing logic board, which typically requires professional repair. Finally, physical damage to the display itself, such as cracks or deep scratches, can interfere with the touchscreen's functionality. Identifying these hardware issues can help you determine if professional repair is needed. In the next section, we'll look at software-related causes. While hardware problems can cause screen freezing, software issues are often the more common culprit. One frequent cause is bugs introduced by iOS updates, which can sometimes contain unforeseen bugs that cause instability. Another issue is app incompatibility, or bugs within specific apps, especially if they aren't optimized for the latest iOS version. Having too many apps running in the background can strain your phone's resources, leading to performance slowdowns and potential freezes. Similarly, low storage space can also contribute to freezing. Data corruption, due to interrupted software updates or malware, can lead to instability and freezing. Identifying the specific software culprit can sometimes be challenging, but the diagnostic steps outlined in the next section will help you pinpoint the problem. Now that we've explored the potential causes of a frozen iPhone 16 Pro Max, let's discuss how to diagnose the problem. Check for iOS updates in Settings, General, Software Update. Install any updates to resolve the issue. Next, try a force restart. Press and release volume up, then volume down. Hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Identify if the problem is specific to an app. Update or reinstall the app. Inspect for physical damage. Visit an Apple service center if needed. Once you've diagnosed the problem, you can take steps to resolve it. Start by closing all background apps. Swipe up from the bottom to access the app switcher. Free up space by deleting unnecessary apps, photos, or videos. Update the app to the latest version. If that doesn't work, uninstall and reinstall the app. For hardware issues, visit an authorized Apple service center. Preventing future freezes is key to a smooth iPhone experience. Keep your iOS and apps updated regularly to benefit from bug fixes and performance improvements. Avoid overloading your phone with too many background apps and maintain sufficient free storage space. Protect your phone from physical damage by using a case and screen protector. Avoid exposing your phone to extreme temperatures and be mindful of how long you use resource-intensive apps. If you continue to experience freezing issues despite trying these solutions, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for further assistance. They can provide personalized troubleshooting and recommend the best course of action. By understanding the potential causes, following the diagnostic steps, and implementing the solutions outlined, you can keep your iPhone 16 Pro Max running smoothly and stay connected to what matters most.